The KFB in this pattern is specified with 2 yarn colors. For this example, I'll be using blue as YC1 and pink as YC2. I'll start by bringing my marl to the back. We'll work into the front and back leg of this stitch. Note that this stitch has 2 loops on the needle. We'll be working into both loops on the needle. I'll insert my needle knitwise into the stitch. The first color specified in the brackets is blue, so I'm only going to pick up the blue yarn from my marl and wrap it around the needle, and the stitch stays on the needle. And then I insert the right needle into the back leg of the stitch. The second color specified in the brackets is pink, so I pick up my pink yarn and wrap it around the needle, and I take the stitch off the needle. This has created 2 new stitches on my needle. Each stitch has only 1 loop on the needle. Each stitch is in the color specified in the KFB.